Hi there, I'm going to walk you through how to complete your workbook activities. I want to share my screen so I can show you where you begin. You're going to begin on the publisher's website. So submit your section and you go to the welcome page is where you find the syllabus quiz. If you go to sections, you'll see that section 1 is the textbook portion that has all of the counseling communication skills that we'll talk about in this class. Section 3 has several interview examples, and that is also textbook portions. Section 2, the entire section is workbook. So go to that section. It'll take you to the first activity. And when you get to the first activity, it asks you to describe yourself. Of course, read this information above. It will tell you a little bit better the reason you are being asked the questions that you're being asked and how that pertains to what we're doing in this course. And ensure that you have something in each of these boxes here. And always save, push save. So click it and then save, then click submit. When you submit the information, that will send you an email to confirm your submission, and it will send the email to the email address you gave when you registered your textbook on the Kindle Hunt website. Now I want to show you the activities here in the course. So from the home page in the course, from the home page, you can find the assignments for the course either by clicking the assignment link on the left, and it will show you all the assignments that are posted and available for you, or you can go through the module to do your assignments. So if you're in the second module, and the assignments are typically indented a little bit. That's how in the module they stand out a bit from the content. So you just click on this first one here, for instance, and you will see it will give you the numbers that you will complete in the activities in the workbook, in the textbook. So 2 means section 2. 0.1 means the first assignment. So you're in section 2 looking at the first assignment. So this particular assignment is asking you to do activities 1 through 5, plus the one called most valuable that is not numbered for some reason. So this particular assignment that is due on September 5th, is asking you just to do these 6 activities. Now, remember, when you submit it, like I showed you to over in the textbook, it is not going to auto-populate in Canvas. So if you look at your Canvas grade book, it's not going to show a grade for the workbook, even if you know you already submitted it. I have to go in on my end and look at the information you submitted, ensure that it was completed, and then I go to Canvas on the Canvas grade book, and I manually put your grade in for that. So just a heads up on that. And that is how you submit the assignments for the workbook portion of the course. And I hope you enjoy doing the personal exploration. And remember, the reason that we do that in this course is because in order to communicate most effectively, we have to know who we are first. We have to know why we are the way we are. And then we make changes if there are areas we'd like to change and improve and grow and strengthen. And then we can communicate with other people at the most effective level. I hope you enjoy the workbook. Take care.